Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x. Or if we divided both sides by 4 to the power x, we will get 4 to the power x over 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x over 4 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x over 4 to the power x. Or this 4 to the power x cancel out this 4 to the power x, so it will be remaining 1 plus here we can write 6 over 4 whole power x is equal to 9 over 4 whole power x. Or 1 plus 6, that means 3 times 2, and 4, that means 2 times 2 whole power x is equal to 9, that means 3 square, and 4, that means 2 square whole power x. Or 1 plus this 2 cancel out this 2, so it will be remaining 3 over 2 whole power x is equal to, here we can write 3 over 2 power 2 whole power x. Or 1 plus 3 over 2 whole power x is equal to, here we can apply this rule, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power n whole power m. Applying this rule, here we can write 3 over 2 power x whole square. Now let's consider 3 over 2 whole power x is equal to m. So our equation is 1 plus m is equal to m square. 3 over 2 whole power x is equal to m. Or taking this 1 plus m to right side and it will right to left side, we will get m square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we can apply quadratic formula. The formula is m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to negative 1. So m is equal to minus b, that means minus 1, plus or minus square root of b, that means minus 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means minus 1, over 2 times a, that means 1. M is equal to minus times minus, that means plus 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that means plus 1, minus times minus, that means plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, over 2 times 1, that means 2. Or m is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, over 2. Now see, here are two equations. So m is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But remember, m is equal to 3 over 2 whole power x. So 3 over 2 whole power x is equal to 1 plus root 5 of 2, or 3 over 2 whole power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But attention here, 3 over 2 whole power any number, it will be positive, but it will be a negative number. So positive not equal to negative, so there are no real solutions, so it is rejected. Or now taking log to both sides, we will get log 3 over 2 whole power x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now here we can apply this formula, log a to the power b is equal to b log a. Applying this rule here, we can write x log 3 over 2 is equal to log, rearranging it, we can write square root of 5 plus 1 over 2. So x is equal to log square root of 5 plus 1 over 2 divided by log 3 over 2. Here we can use calculator. The approximate value of x we will get 1.1868. So the approximate value of x is 1.1868. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.